Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Samsung Galaxy A20e. First of all, go into Play Store on both of them and install free app called Send Anywhere from this developer. When it's ready, open it. I already did that, so I can open mine right away, and from this screen here select I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Now you need to choose Send on an Android and Receive on Samsung. Following that, tap on all of those dots and select Send. This way you can choose all of your files and then transfer them. It will take a long time to transfer all of mine, so I will go with only one photo. Maybe that one. Choose Send and click on Got It. On Samsung, you need to choose No Thanks and close this window. Finally, we have two ways to connect. We can input this key over here and connect our smartphones by choosing Receive. But we can also scan this QR code. If you wish to do that, you can always click on this scanning icon on Samsung, then select Allow and point your device's camera at the code. And now, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!